Welcome to Tech Trash. And in today's product review, I'm going to be reviewing these little spray bottle things with the wiper cloth inside. They look compact, they look cool. You get a few uses from them, but I'm going to tell you why you should avoid this product. See, after using it for a while, you see all these little marks. What happens is this little felt thing starts tearing up, and when you start using it, these little things start scratching against whatever you're trying to clean up. Now, it might be okay if it's like something like a table. So the way it's supposed to work is this, and you spray it down. But if you're using it on a monitor or something, it can be problematic. The second thing is it's not really hygienic. A lot of dirt gets trapped in between where they glue the cloth onto the plastic and it gets embedded in here, like in between here. And since you can't use this after a while, you can't use it as a wiping cloth anymore because it's really just doesn't work and it's really unhygienic. It becomes just basically a spray bottle and it's overpriced. What I recommend instead of people using this product, and I know it sounds really like a duh advice, but I would recommend just for them to have a cleaning rag and a separate spray bottle. So instead of having it all in one like this, and then when the cloth is messed up, you're out of luck, just have a simple spray bottle that makes sure that it's going to be locked, and then just have a simple cloth and a separate cloth. That way, if the cloth gets dirty, you just throw it out. With this combination, it sounds cool, it looks good on paper, but when you implement it and use it every day, it doesn't work well. The design doesn't work really well. So the main downside of this. The other thing is a lot of the dirt and stuff gets embedded into this cloth. I don't know what kind of cloth this is, but it's almost like a sponge. That's the best way to describe it. And it feels pretty dirty after a while. And no matter how much you wash it, it just gets embedded and stuck in here. From a hygiene perspective, it defeats the purpose. And from a compact perspective, it doesn't work. Like it sounds cool that you have this all in one unit, but doesn't really work that well. For all those people wondering whether you should get this, I would say no, just get a cloth with a spray bottle. Or the other alternative, if you want to save space, is just get a wet wipe, a portable wet wipe, and just use that and then throw it out. It's much more hygienic than having this dust carried with you all day and who knows what is growing on it. I really wanted this thing to work, but unfortunately, this was a dud. Well, like I said, the other options I would recommend would be to get a wet wipe or to just get a separate bottle, like those travel bottles that you see for airports and stuff. To get one of those and put whatever soap, or I put alcohol in this so I can use it to clean my hand and maybe clean the electronics. And then just get a separate rag and maybe you can wrap it around here with a rubber band or something like that. But don't get this all in one unit. This is just after like light use for maybe 2 months and it's integrated. So it's a waste of money. It's plastic junk. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.